Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about a new topic, and the topic is how to make Chrome default browser on laptop and PC. So the process is really simple, so without any wasting, let's dive into the main topic. So first of all, you just need to be click to the three dots and then just click to the setting, and then you just need to go over here to default browser, and Google Chrome is your default browser as you can see it. So if not, then there is options you will get. Let's say I will go to the Mozilla and then give you the options. So I will going to click over here, then go to the setting. From that place I will click onto the home, and here we will get the options to not to get the by default. So we just need to select this one, but as you can see, Chrome is by default our. So here you will eventually get an options that will tell you to click on the button called default browser. Then once you click over here, then eventually you will set it up for you as a default. That's for it for today. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.